Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to uncover the secrets and unknown facts surrounding a beloved Chinese noodle dish, Jang Mian. Get ready to dive into the rich history and flavors of this iconic dish. Let's get started. Before we delve into the unknown facts, let's first introduce Jang Mian. This delightful dish originates from the streets of China and is known for its satisfying combination of noodles, savory sauce, and various toppings. But did you know that Jang Mian has a fascinating story behind its creation? Let's find out. Fact number 1. Jang Mian, also known as sesame sauce noodles, has a history that stretches back centuries. It is believed to have originated in the Shandong province of China during the Qing dynasty. The dish was traditionally enjoyed by scholars and literati, who appreciated its simplicity and unique flavors. Fact number 2. The secret to Jang Mian lies in its signature sauce. The sauce is made from a combination of sesame paste, soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and various spices. The result is a rich and nutty flavor that complements the noodles perfectly. The sauce can be customized to suit different taste preferences, making Jang Mian a versatile and customizable dish. Speaking of customization, let's move on to fact number 3. Jang Mian is all about the toppings. While the core components are the noodles and sesame sauce, the dish truly shines with its diverse array of toppings. Popular choices include shredded cucumber, julienne carrots, bean sprouts, scallions, and even minced pork or tofu. These toppings add texture, freshness, and an extra layer of flavor to the dish. Fact number 4. Jang Mian has gained popularity not only in China but also in other parts of the world. It has become a staple dish in many Chinese restaurants globally, allowing people from different cultures to savor its deliciousness. Variations of Jang Mian can be found in different countries, each adding its own twist while staying true to the essence of the dish. Finally, fact number 5. Jang Mian is not only enjoyed as a main course but also as a street food snack in China. Vendors set up their stalls, serving freshly made noodles coated in the delectable sesame sauce. It's a favorite among locals and visitors alike, offering a quick and flavorful bite on the go. And there you have it, folks. Some fascinating unknown facts about Jang Mian, the iconic Chinese noodle dish. From its historic origins in Shandong province to its customizable toppings and global popularity, Jang Mian continues to captivate taste buds worldwide. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of Jang Mian. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting culinary adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy eating!